In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your HubSpot contacts. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to watch out for, so you can create a clean copy of any contact in just a minute. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type HubSpot. From the results, click the official HubSpot website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account with your usual credentials. Make sure you're using the correct workspace if your company has more than one. That will ensure you're duplicating the right records. Once you're in, move your mouse to the left sidebar and look for the section labeled CRM. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Within the CRM area, we're going to work specifically with contacts. Click Contacts to open your full contact list. You should now see your contacts in a table view. Use the search bar or filters if you have a long list, and locate the exact contact you want to duplicate. Taking a moment to confirm the right contact here helps avoid creating unnecessary duplicates later. Click the contact's name to open their record. At the top right of the record page, find the Actions menu. Click Actions to reveal a list of options available for this contact. From the Actions menu, choose Clone. This tells HubSpot to create a new contact record using the same properties as the one you're viewing. Think of it as starting a new record with the key fields already filled in, saving you from manual re-entry. A cloning panel or window will appear. Here, you can add another email for the cloned contact. This is especially important because the email field typically acts as a unique identifier in HubSpot. If you intend to keep both the original and the cloned contact as separate records, enter a different, valid email address for the new contact. This helps prevent conflicts and ensures both records can be tracked independently. Double-check any pre-filled fields that might need to be updated, such as name variations, job titles, or life cycle stages, so the clone reflects the correct details. When everything looks right, click Clone to confirm. HubSpot will create the new contact based on the original, using the information you just reviewed. You should now see the cloned record, ready for any additional updates or associations you might need in your workflow. That's all there is to it. You searched HubSpot, signed in, navigated to CRM, opened Contacts, selected your contact, chose Actions, hit Clone, set the email for the new record, and confirmed. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in HubSpot.